human factors is an area of engineering. We design aircraft, we make aircraft that can be flown by engineers, flown by pilots, but what we need to do is we need to think about the system as something that people use. So when we design an aircraft, we normally go about designing what the aircraft needs to do, or how it needs to fly, how far it needs to fly, how high, and so on. The other thing that we need to do is we need to think about the humans that are going to use it. So the pilots that are going to fly it, the maintenance engineers who are going to maintain it, the ground servicing people that are going to put the bags in the hold. So when we think about aircraft and designing aircraft, we need to consider that as well. Unfortunately, certainly from a maintenance perspective, we've been fairly lacking in actually considering that. So maintenance engineers are very good at just fixing problems. They go out and they fix problems. They make sure that aircraft get dispatched safely and efficiently all the time. What they're doing as they do that is they're uncovering problems and they're just finding ways around it. So what we have done as a society is we've looked at how we can solve that problem as an industry. We did some research over a year and we found that there are 40 things that we can do, all the way from change in the way in which we educate designers to think about humans as well as machines, through to the professional standards that they must meet in order to become chartered or incorporated engineers, through to the regulations that actually aircraft are designed to. So all of those things together, if we can solve all of them, we can sort out the problem of maintenance errors during maintenance.